Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Last weekend, my mom and I had our very first visit to the farm at San Benito and oh my goodness, you need to hear about it. Ang first thing na mapapansin mo is yung absolute quiet. Kalimutan mo yung city noise kasi dito immerse ka talaga sa tropical vibe. Honestly, hindi lang siya resort, it's a dedicated wellness retreat. It's holistic healing. Ang core focus dito is rest, detox, and mind-body connection. Speaking of rest, grabe ang ganda ng villa. Spacious, super linis, and very tranquil. Parang ang sarap lang magstay doon the whole day. And let's talk about the food. It's 100% plant-based, raw, and super sarap. The star for us was definitely the breakfast buffet sa Alive. Ang daming choices. I highly recommend yung vegan omelette na super healthy. If you want to sweat it out, may gym sila with a gorgeous view. We also love the Aqua Sanctuary. Must try talaga yung thermal pools and steam rooms doon. All the treatment rooms are well appointed. Super peaceful and nakaka-feel good talaga. We also had dinner at Pesh, super romantic at ang ganda ng outdoor pool nila. Perfect for afternoon dips. Also, make sure to find the secret garden. Parang fairy tale ang feeling doon. Perfect for quiet reflection. And I must say, ang ganda ng scenery and ambience sa pool area ng Aqua Bar Spa. Sobrang relaxing at tranquil. Surrounded ka ng lush greenery and natural stones. Speaking of rest, ang daming ang area dito for meditation. Isama mo na nga ang legendary 300-year-old mango tree. Ang peaceful ng feeling. So if you're feeling burned out, needing a detox, or gusto mo lang ng meaningful getaway, the farm at San Benito is the answer. It's an investment in your health and worth every single penny. So go treat yourself and your loved ones.